Hello everyone. I'm Jennifer and I'm the coach of the team Zeiss Digital Innovation Partners. We've worked together with Clyde as our customer, who has always had great feedback for us, and Dora, who has been an awesome project lead. A big thanks to both of you. But enough of that. Let's all welcome the famous TV hostess Kimmy Kimmel.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the Kimmy Kimmel live show. Tonight we have a lot of great stuff in store for you. The two main stars from the latest Zeiss Sales Finder app and movie are here with us tonight, and they're here with us to show us the newest features of their app and also talk more about the movie. So give a warm welcome to Sandra Brugok and Tom Hanks. Last time we saw you, you were on Eileen's show, actually.
Yep, that's true.
And after that, your app actually went viral. But for the people who weren't there, can you tell me more about the app's main purpose?
Yeah, so the app's main purpose is really unifying different channels of communication between sales representatives and customers and facilitates the collaboration and networking. And especially now that the app is equipped with new enhanced features, I'm actually very excited to see how the audience will respond to it.
Yeah, I'm excited to see it too. But your app is a Finder app, so it's a sales representative Finder app. And there's a lot of Finder apps on the market. What makes your app so unique?
Yeah, so the developers spend a lot of time refining the interface, make it very intuitive and self-explanatory. And now the process of finding a sales representative and booking an appointment is very easy, less frustrating, and overall just efficient.
Yeah, I totally agree with what Tum just said, but I also have to add that the services via this app also contribute to value co-creation in terms of new services, but also in increasing profitability. You know, when the customer is using the app, he's not only getting in touch with a sales representative, but also with the services, products, expertise that Zeiss as a company has to offer. Therefore, I really believe that this strategy behind the app will really make it lucrative in the long run.
Wow, this sounds revolutionary, really, guys. The app hasn't yet been released.
No.
And in the movie, you, Tum, you are the customer and you are the sales representative. And I'm wondering, since I am Kimmy Kimmel, can I please have a sneak peek?
Yeah, I think that's possible. Everything for you, Kimmy.
Thanks.
So I think what we should do is do something similar to the movie and attempt to log in, maybe?
Yep. So I prefer the dark mode. That's why my app is the dark one.
Can I see yours too, Sandra?
Yep. Is it now? Yes.
Yeah, so I'm signed in now. Are you ready?
Not yet, but you can go on and look
Okay.
into my profile.
Sure.
See
So
if you can find something
I want to make a product demonstration for Duramax. And yeah, I could do it over the app, but I prefer the more structured view. So I will just go quickly into the list and filter for Duramax and product demonstration and click Save. And you see there are only 4 sales representatives left. And yeah, Sandra is the closest one, so I will pick her. And yeah, I'm just checking. Yeah, all the products are there. I just need a Duramax and also product demonstration, but also a lot of other services. So I will just quickly book an appointment. I think I want to have some drinks, so maybe I should tell her, prepare drinks. And then, yeah, no, today not, but maybe tomorrow at 3 would be great. And yeah, I don't check the online meeting because I think the product demonstration really only makes sense in person, so I will just now book the appointment with her.
Yeah, and I actually got a notification with that. I can refresh my appointments, and yeah, there you are. Let me look in more detail. The appointments info. So, product demonstration, prepare drinks at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a little bit early, to be honest. Should I decline or accept?
I think you should accept
Yeah,
this time.
accepted. Yeah, I'm up for a party tomorrow. Why not?
Oh yeah, and I received the notification. So I will quickly go to the appointments, and yeah, I will want to add it to my calendar, so I press OK. And yeah, here I can just check the details. Tomorrow at 3 p.m., fine.
Yeah, see you then.
Wow, that was so simple. So easy, both finding it and booking. So I really can see how this both profits you as a customer, but also you as a sales representative. That's really great. But when you're talking about the app, it seems like you know a lot about it. Is that true?
Yeah, we would like to think so.
Okay. Then I would like to put that knowledge to test. I present to you the new game, Maker or Faker. In this game, we will find out which one of you is the maker and the faker of this app. Are you up for a challenge?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Okay, let's move over to the game area. So, the rules are simple. I ask a question, first person to buzz the buzzer, like that, gets the answer. If the person is wrong, the other contestants get the chance. Are you ready?
Sure.
Ready.
Let's move to the first question then. So, what does this logo stand for? And I'll give you a hint. It's an innovative query and manipulation language which your app's API actually uses. So you should know this.
It's REST API, right?
No, that's not innovative.
That's old-fashioned. It's GraphQL, isn't it?
Yeah, it's GraphQL.
I think the developers use it in the app because of a client-driven data selection, which makes it very easy to use the data, and also that you can fetch multiple resources with only one request. That's really innovative.
Wow. Yeah, that's correct. 1 point to you, Tom. So, Sandra, you have to pick it up now.
Yeah,
Next question. You're using UI kits several places in your app. Why are you using it and where?
I think in the map, because it's MapKit and it's still based on UIKit. And I think the filter also looks really complex. So is it a filter in the map?
No.
No. Yes, I totally agree with the map using MapKit, but we're also using in the app page view controller, and we can see it when we sign up. And yeah, those elements are not provided yet in Swift UI. They're not there. So we had to rely, the developers had to rely on UIKit to create those components of the app.
That's true. Was there any problematic stuff about that?
Yeah, as far as I know, it was a bit of a struggle, especially at the beginning, because they had to adapt UIKit to Swift UI using UI view representable and also coordinators, but they made it work at the end.
Well, 1 point to you. And we have a tie. Let's move on to the last and final question. There's a lot of data in your app, but how is the app still so fast?
I think I know this, but I need to elaborate a little bit. So the app really uses a lot of data, especially images. When you look, for example, into the products, the images have to be in the best quality so that the customer can make the right decision. But it was a problem because the app would become really, really slow. So the developers had to compress these images, and also they had to rely on asynchronous communication with the server in order to make it faster.
Wow.
Good answer.
That's a really good answer. And I must say, Sandra, you are the maker and the winner of the competition. You will receive as a prize, you will receive a Zeiss VR glasses. We are sponsored by Zeiss Digital Innovation Partners.
Take a seat.
Oh, it's always so fun coming here to you, Kimi.
Yeah, you're always getting free stuff.
Yeah.
So now I kind of seen the app from what's happening under the hood, but also how it works in the UI-wise and everything. And I'm just wondering, is this the end of the movie series, or is there a third movie and app coming? What's in for the future?
Maybe I should answer because I messed up the game a little bit and I have to catch up. So a future improvement would be to add a chat functionality to the communication channel. Currently, there are just appointments, and the developers are working very hard to include a chat, maybe also with voice and video calls, like that would be a key element. And the second one, to provide a cross-platform availability. So they're currently experimenting with the Catalyst framework of Apple. So with this, you're able to provide an iPadOS app in macOS. So then the Sales Finder would also be in macOS, which is a great achievement.
Yeah, but also provide more services like inquiries, for example.
I see. I think I'm going to be a customer of Zeiss after this.
Yeah, why not?
Well, let's give a round of applause for our wonderful guests, Sandra Brugger, Tom Hangst, and the Zeiss Sales Finder app.
Thank you.
And I just got a message on my ear from my producer that our customer has a statement to give us.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, thank you very much for the very entertaining demo. I think it was great and very creative. Secondly, I would also like to thank you about all the commitment and efforts you put into this project. You are a very highly performant team, and kudos to you for doing all the great work. I understand it was quite challenging to embed two different customer journeys within the same mobile application, but you did a really good job with that, so well done. And I'm looking forward to continue the questionnaire after the event. Thank you a lot.
Thank you so much.